Today we're going to be making paper egg. This is what the final product looks like. So to begin, you're going to take 2 pieces of paper, you're going to put them together, and you're going to cut out a shape of an egg. And it can be any size you want, it doesn't matter. Next, you're going to take the egg, take 2 apart. You can decorate it. You can decorate it any way you want. So. Then once you're done decorating, you're going to put the 2 decorated sides facing away from each other. You're going to take the stapler, and you're going to staple around, keeping like an inch or so away from the edge, and you're going to leave the top open. And when you do your staples, you can keep them a little bit apart from each other. So once you're done going around, you're going to open it up, like so. You're going to stuff it with newspaper. So you're going to stuff it with some newspaper. And depending on the size of the egg, you might need different amount of newspaper. So you're going to crumple it a little, then insert it. And once you feel like you're satisfied with it, you're going to take your stapler, you're going to staple it together to seal it off. And there you got it, a paper egg.